Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Lady over chat and laugh. She says she's a chat and laugh fans. And me I gonna tell her this Moji. Me not call her name. Moji, she send me $20,000 yesterday, but me not call her name. Right? She I think at Canada she did. She sent me $20,000 yesterday. You know me take that $20,000 there and do? I buy 2 slippers to my son because him growth him slippers them. Me not nobody a friend for send no come give me. I buy 2 slippers to him, which is $3,000, one is $6,000. I buy another pack of 60 pack of Pampers. I buy 2 more tin of feeding. I buy a apple juice. I buy a Gerber. You know the Gerber something them where for baby. I buy some there and them there. I say Monday morning I have something.
Can't even hear me. What part of Jamaica you at?
Eh?
What part of Jamaica you at?
Spoilers.
Over Kingston side?
Yeah.
Right.
You see, me have a money in my jar
come down
emoji.
too.
Me have a money in my jar emoji. Me say that I go up at the school and tell him say for put on that for my son to next month. Cause me no know when me get pay, that for pay my rent. That for buy grocery and then something that hurts my sister have him. Me no want my son think me neglect him. So me
Her
have to
name
buy
is Momo. Yeah, my baby. Yeah, I call her Moji, like Momo. Her
She
name
always
is
call me
Momo.
Moji.
Oh.
My yesterday.
I'm glad
Mama,
just
yeah.
not,
Yeah, so my son of the year, so me, you know, me no want him feel like me negligent him. So me go to my sister and carry some things go give me. I understand cause you can't make them feel like say, oh my sister having she not for call, you know, but me still have a give. Cause you understand me I say? Me say so my son up at school, more, him not even want me touch him.
Huh?
Him not even want me touch him.
What do you mean?
Him not people want me touch him. Which farm I live is rent me pay $6,000 a month. Rent me pay. Rent me pay $6,000 a month.
Thanks so terribly.
Me no business no want say no. Cause you not jar me out. I don't care what nobody want say. Cause you me know say me I talk the truth.
Tuffy not even listen to Moji.
Eh?
Me say don't listen to Moji.
What me say? You got it, what me say? The DM. Oh, Tuffy always call me Moji. Moji or Bobo. And then Destiny call me boy.
Boy,
Yeah, me not depend that. Me not no smoke with nobody. Me not want nobody. I tell me this and I tell me that. Yeah, my parents.
Tuffy parent down there.
Which family live on a capture place? If I did capture place now, move the pay and rent. But which family live? Me safe and everything. You understand? More. Me safe and everything, diary. Cause when you're in, you're in. When you're out, you're out. You understand? Me have from you come out of your when you come out of your house, you're going to your toilet or your bathroom.
Yeah.
Me and another bridge and another bandula light. Everything included, the 6,000 included light, water, and rent.
No.
So you can't stay there.
All right, baby. So you're good, do.
Yeah, man, me just good. Me just say, me just the right here, so. Normally, my son that in there play with him brother in the there. And when him come here, he won't go fast. He not even want to eat with me. Because he might feel like say them are going to come at him again. So me just leave everything to God.
Oh, God. Well, you know, either way with your sister with you, him still I got alright.
Yeah.
Let's get yourself together, yeah, my friend, cause one thing,
Yeah.
you know, if they are rock bottom, the only way forward is up.
Facts.
I'm a friend, cause one thing,
Yeah.
you know, if they are rock bottom, the only way forward is up.
Facts.
Me say, the builder refuse we come a head cornerstone. And enough of them people here who bring me down on IG. Remember me telling me this. Today, the 19th of November 2022, me I got turn on the head cornerstone. And somehow, when I said Tuffy, you remember me? Where you did the on IG? You remember me? And me did the on IG, you know. When I want something, and I me come, when not there, I come. And I me enough for come to forget to shit down. And I say, look there, look there. Remember me, they telling you.
You know, say like how you have links at Jamaica, like people who want job and say you could have make them pay you and get them job and them thing, you know, that could have been a hustle too.
No, sir, me not want help nobody. You, me not
No,
help
but it's
nobody.
still
Cause
a hustle.
when me help people, me not get the chance.
Watch ya. Them still a go on.